Welcome to our next lesson, which is on te reo Māori terms of a car. Let's get into it. This is my Ferrari. Okay, it's not a Ferrari, but it's my waka, or car, that gets me from A to B. The word we use for car is waka, which originally meant canoe, but over the years, the idea of having a vessel that takes people from A to B has also been applied to our modern-day cars. Some use the phonetically borrowed term motoka, which, by the sound, you can probably work out it's motorcar. Let's get into its parts. The wheels are known as wira. The windows are called matapihi. The window wipers are called ukui wini. The bonnet is known as the pānati, and the headlights are called rama. In the back we have the putu, or boot. The doors are known as tatau. Let's open the tatau to check out the inside. These are the turu, and this one is important, tātua, your seatbelt. Make sure you always fasten yours. This is the wira taraiwa, or steering wheel. Anyway, I better let you go and turn the key and hope this thing will fire up. Hope you enjoyed this lesson on the parts of a waka.